GT Thunder studs. I measured according to the instructions. It's 2 inches minimum, 2.2 maximum. So I went from the bottom of the bit, measured up 2 inches 100 thousandths, set it right in the middle, located each one of these, and they're pretty tight. Oh, that's not too bad. And just drilled them out. You're really not removing a whole lot of material, and went through and tapped them, and then it comes in the instructions, tells you the height of them, and everything worked out perfect. I have to put some Loctite on them, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear the bike down and make sure, just test fit the head when it goes on here to make sure I got enough clearance for my dowel pins and all that stuff before I actually make it 100% permanent. So that's what we're going to do here shortly.